Hello, today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuchi Azeru Oziri. Today we wan talk about blackmail. Wetin law talk about you wey dey use people naked pictures and videos dey blackmail them. Wetin law talk na im we go talk about today, and we go still talk about wetin you go do if somebody dey blackmail you with your naked picture or video. Wetin you go do and wetin we go still talk about. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch, share. No just watch our video keep am like that. When you watch, share. When you watch the video, share. And wetin you go dey do for us be that. Now wetin be blackmail? Blackmail na when you use something wey I do, because mostly dey be bad things. When you use wetin I talk or wetin I write or my picture or something dey tell me say if I no do this thing, you go show people, you go tell people wetin I do. Na im be blackmail. Normally if I commit crime, na your duty to report me to the police. Na wetin you suppose do. No be to use that thing wey I do for your own benefit. Now like you wan use am blackmail me so that you go use am get money or get any other mekwata or get any other thing from me. Na im be blackmail. Now wetin law talk about this blackmail? Na two ogbonge laws wey we go use discuss this thing. One na the one wey dem dey call cyber crime prohibition, prevention, etc. Act wey our National Assembly give us for 2015. This law, some states don get their own, but we go use one discuss am because na one wey really cover everywhere. Now wetin this thing talk? You know say some of una go people DM dey beg person video don leak, naked picture leak, go dey DM me, send to my inbox, send to my WhatsApp. You wey dey beg for that wetin law talk about, wetin you dey do. Some go even dey create WhatsApp group because you hold person create WhatsApp group dey share am. Wetin law talk about this thing wey you dey do. Now the law wey go address this matter now, section 23 subsection 2 of the cyber crime prohibition, prevention, etc. Act of 2015. Wetin this law talk? This law talk say, I no wan read am, make I just talk am the way you go take understand am, because if you read some go say e too long, I bin no understand wetin the law dey talk. Make I explain am for you now. That law talk say if you dey distribute, dey share people porn, no be say na commercial porn, because commercial own dey wey be say na wetin dem dey do. Heaven and earth know say na wetin dem dey do, no be that one. Say person naked picture mistakenly leak, you come dey share am. Even you wey dey beg, you dey share am for computer, phone na computer, you dey share am everywhere. Na offence, na heavy offence. And if dem catch you, law court come still talk say you do am, na 1 year imprisonment. 1 year, or you go pay fine of 250,000, or you go jail 1 year, come still pay fine. Na so law talk am. Now another law again na our Criminal Code Act, section 408 of Criminal Code Act, talk about extortion. So when you dey blackmail people, use their naked picture, you dey blackmail them so that dem go give you money or dem go do anything with you, na extortion. Na 14 years imprisonment or 3 years imprisonment. Wetin go determine whether you go go 14 years or you go go 3 years? Na wetin you wan achieve, wetin you wan get as you dey blackmail that person. And so law talk am. Now you, one advice I wan give to people wey dey go through this thing be say, no ever make mistake one day say you dey do wetin your blackmailer talk. No try am, because you go continue to dey do that thing till you die or till him die. Dem no go stop. For example, if blackmailer dey tell you say because him wear your naked picture, say every day you go dey sleep with am, you go continue to dey sleep with am till you die or till him die. He no go ever stop. So if person dey blackmail you, no even bother to say you wan do wetin him dey talk. If person dey blackmail you, just do this thing wey I wan tell you now, follow this step wey I wan tell you now. Calm down first, because when dem dey do you all this thing, dem wan first put fear for your body, and once your blackmailer don achieve that fear enter your body, don finish you patapata. So wetin you go do be say no fear, calm down. Oyibo say na take a deep breath. You just calm down, relax, think. When you don relax, you don calm down, na wetin you go do? One, you get evidence. No follow that song wey dey say no evidence. This one you need evidence. Whether the person dey call you, him chat you for DM, or him dey talk to you face to face, you and they say, try get evidence say true this person dey blackmail you. Once you don get that one, wetin you go come do? Go any lawyer office, find any law office wey dey close to you, meet any lawyer, tell am say, see o barrister, see wetin I dey go through, see wetin this person dey do me. Once you don meet the lawyer finish, and the next thing wey I know say na wetin the lawyer go do for you, the lawyer go carry you go the nearest police station. You go make entry there, and police go arrest that your blackmailer. Wetin dey make most of them dey go scot free be say, once they don dey blackmail you, some go say, hey, you go dey pay the 100,000 every month so that they no go put your naked picture for internet. You go pay them that money, dem go still leak your picture. So why you go pay them the money? No pay, no pay. Just do this thing wey I tell you. By the time blackmailers don see say people no dey give in again, o say if dem blackmail you na offense, dem go go jail. Nobody go blackmail anybody again. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch, share, no watch and keep am for only yourself. Now you don know say to beg for porn, send to my DM, send me that picture, send me this person picture wey leak that day. Hey, now you don know say na offense. No dey do am. Thank you.